I'm just taking the register for the class I have at the moment. So if I shut the register down, take the register again, so period 3 it was, and it's my first class, not Miel Jolo. It's Jolo Kago. Go, and then there's my period, my registration for this group here, and they're all here, so I'll just mark them in. Okay, so and then what I can do, I'm also going to do is go and set them a task, so you can see how that works, because this is not your current group. So my classes will show up here. In a minute. So there's the current one I've got, but I can just go set on X, and then it gives me all the other ones there, and I'll just do that and then carry on just normally, just setting my task like that. Okay, so I hope that helps finding all 3 of your groups, rather than change ISAMs 3 times. I think this is quite simple. Okay.